Hi guys and welcome back to your own channel Technical Sahil. Friends, on this channel so far we have learned to build quite few well-known SMTP servers like iRedMail, Postal, PowerMTA, and we have built some other SMTP servers and will continue to learn to build different types of mail servers in the future, that's for sure. But there is common problem among all the viewers watching all these types of videos, which today I am going to try to address in this video. Their concern is, sir, okay, we have managed to build a mail server by watching your videos, not so easily as you shown, but yeah, somehow we did. And we have also managed to create or generate our SMTP credentials through these monitoring consoles. But where do we go from here with taking these SMTP credentials which we have built? We have built our own mail server with so much efforts for sending unlimited emails without any restrictions. So how do we achieve this? And guys, this is very important question they have asked, because these servers like Postal, iRedMail, Zimbra, etc., they all provide a small form for sending emails, but these panels do not provide the facilities to upload a proper email list and send emails to everyone at once with the attachments. So what's the solution for this? Mailvis, but then again another software they need to set up and install. And especially if you are going to use Mailvis with PowerMTA, the server could be slowed down. The server might not perform as per our estimated number of emails we are looking to send per day due to the installation of two cloud-based applications on the same server. And if we get a separate server for Mailvis, then it would be not so cost friendly, because we need one server for the sending and now we need another server for the sending application. So in today's video I have brought the solution to this problem. You definitely will have to get a VPS or a dedicated server to build a mail server, but for sending emails you can use these two desktop softwares. Both softwares are available with their source code. Both the software does not have any issues related to the license key or and being restricted to use for a single user. And you will find the download links of both of these softwares in the description of this video. I'll show you one by one how you can integrate the SMTP credentials you have created with these softwares, easily run your email campaigns. So first, let's look at this one. Let me unzip this. Now we got a folder like this, and it's a documentation SLN file. SLN file means, if you, as I mentioned, these two softwares comes up with their source code. So if you open this SLN file in your Visual Studio, then you will see the structure, the tree of all the source files under this SLN files, so that you can just click and open through that. But we does not have to think about much for the source code, especially if you are not familiar with C#. You just simply need to extract this zip file, open this release folder, and open this mailmax exe application. It does not have any license input, it does not have any installation of exe. It will simple open application like this. And I have already prepared one SMTP server. Basically this is the my personal SMTP server for creating this video. For SMTPs we have already seen so many videos creating SMTPs, but right now my only core focus is to integrate SMTPs into these desktop applications so that it will resolve this particular issue. So I am using this SMTP of my own. I just need to show you, like, it's a simple Gmail SMTP from my this Gmail. I have already made a video on Gmail SMTP as well. Wait a minute. Yeah, this one. So you can also create these kind of credentials by watching this video. But for now, let's see how we can connect our SMTP on this software and send bulk emails. First, let's test the SMTP on host smtp.gmail.com. My port number I'll use 587 because I want to use the secure connection and the secure authentication as well. My email is hello@technicalsahil.com. The same email I'll use in email from. Password, let me copy from here this password and paste it here. And email 2, I will enter my another email just to test the connection between the software and the SMTP. And when we click this test server, the mail was sent successfully. And if we check our inbox, so you can see this email we have received 0 minutes ago. And this is a confirmation that our SMTP credentials are working with this server, with this software. Now let's add this SMTP. As we have seen, it's working. So we have added this SMTP. I will name it as Technical Sahil, and we will click save and exit. Now we first need to add our email list. I have created this small email list. The all these 5 emails are means their access are under my control, so we can check. You can upload a list, a desired list of your desired numbers. But right now for this video, I think this small list is enough. We need to click this source here and right click and add new source. We can simply name it our list like whatever. This is just for our reference, and we will upload either a txt or a csv file. We are not bound to upload only csv file with the some required fields. We can directly upload this list from here. Like if I upload email list and save and exit, then you can see we have the number of emails 5, the number of emails 5. So our list has been created and the subscriber has been also imported. Now we need to create mail message. Right click and click add new message. This is just for our reference. Test message. This is the email subject. And here we can type our message like hello, I am writing this email to make sure we can send emails from our desktop software using third party SMTP credentials. So guys, our message is ready. If we want to include any image or attachment, we can simply click here to choose. Right now I did not have any image to show you in the desktop. I need to find, so it's better to send a message without this only this text, and click save and exit. Now we have also created our message. Now we need to go to the campaign and click new campaign, and this is also for our reference. Test campaign, and mail source is test list. Test message SMTP server is also it has taken. We can also enable IP rotation if we have included, if we have integrated our multiple servers, so we can enable it from here. But right now I have only one server, one Gmail server to show. So I am not checking this option and click save and exit. And now if I right click this and start campaign, it will take some time to start, and it has started sending the emails. So let it finish. So the email has been sent, and if we try to check the emails, yes, we have received test campaign. Hello, I am writing this email to make sure we can send emails from our desktop software. The same content I write, and if I check this email, yes, I have received the email as well. And if I check this email, yes, I have received the email as well. And if I check this email, I think we need to refresh. Yeah, also we have received email on Yahoo, and you can see we have received emails everywhere straight away to inbox, to our primary mailboxes. I have tried 4 different platforms. So that's way this software works. But now it has a major drawback, you can say, especially if you are not familiar with HTML. Uh, let's talk about the drawback later. First, let's see the general settings. And yeah, we can set the frequency here like seconds to wait after every email. And we can also set the wait limit after every milestone. We have to wait uh, this amount of seconds. Like for example, it's by default after sending 100 emails, wait for 3 seconds. And also we can enable email verification before send. This is not that strong email verification, but yeah, if your email has a syntax error, or a, like you have written in the email list like 2 emails in uh, one row, so that way it will counter this if you have enabled this email verification. But it has a drawback. Let me show you the drawback. If we try add new message, you can see we can type message and we can use HTML, but we have to write HTML. Like if I need to convert this into an HTML, like I want this bold and I want this text italic, then I need to write mention here the bold and italic tags. Like in HTML, strong could be the bold tag and emphasize could be the italic tag. So we can either use B tag and I tag. But yeah, the HTML code we need to use, that's the only drawback of this software. That's why we are looking 2 softwares in this video. So we have seen how we can send campaigns using desktop software. The other is also same, but that software also has one drawback which this software does not have. So let me show you the other software. Let me close this software and let's extract now this one. This software also comes with source code and with the complete documentation. Now we need to open this source folder. Also, this SLN file will do the same work as I have explained what it does. Now you need to open the mass emailer bin folder, debug, and from here you can open this application, mass emailer. Again, this will not install anything, any exe in your computer. When you open with double click, it will directly open this window and you can start using both the softwares. Now it has cleared the limitation, like if I copy the same text and paste it here, Now I want this to make bold, so I can from here. And if I want this to italic, so I can do it from here. And if I want this hello to change in a heading, so we can do this from here. Means it has an MC, or you can say CKE editor, which this software does not have. But on the other hand, this software has a drawbacks, especially if you are using Gmail SMTP. Then this software won't work for you, because this is using the library of Gmail, which has already paused from this date. And I think if you are a bit familiar with HTML, this software is good as compared to this software, because especially if you are using Gmail. Otherwise, if you are using any other SMTP, like following my video, you are using Postal, iRedMail, or any other SMTP connection, then you can, in the same way, you can test and add the server, and also manage the frequency from here. And by clicking the file, you can import the list same way txt, the same file we can upload from here. And after typing a message from email and subject, we can click start button, and it will start sending the email, just like the previous software we have seen. So both of these softwares have one little drawback, which may cause a problem. But yeah, these softwares are good, especially this one. This is a perfect software if you know HTML. So you can use these type of software, desktop softwares. The solution I got, means I think the solution, and I thought this is a perfect to tell you about that. I am using, myself is using the same thing. So you can also send your email campaigns the same way. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.